We live in a world where the cost of energy is unsustainable. Every year, we pump some 33 billion tons of carbon dioxide into our atmosphere, exacerbating climate change. Current green sources are insufficient, requiring storage, infrastructure, or transport that make them fail at a mass scale. We don't have a choice but to continue to burn fossil fuels. Or do we? What if there were a way to create baseload, carbon-free energy anywhere, at a scale meant to serve the community that owns it? What if this solution was affordable, long-lasting, and free from toxic waste? What if it were as simple as harnessing a fundamental force of nature? Meet the Hydro Electric Tank. H.E.T is a disruptive technology concept directing gravity to generate electricity in a closed-loop system. Production can be dialed up or down to meet demands, eliminating the need for storage. It is fully scalable, compatible with existing energy production, and integrable into our current grid system. Our system incorporates water-filled cylinders mounted to an industrial magnet assembly and feeding into a hydroelectric generator. Strategically mounted electrolysis anode and cathode rods reduce fluid density in the narrow inner cylinder, initiating upflow. The industrial magnet advantages the diamagnetic property of water to accelerate momentum. Upward force is further increased by our electro-hydrodynamic thruster, which generates a positively charged ionic field, creating an attraction towards the negatively charged collector at the top of the tube. Here, ions are collected, neutralizing the fluid. Returned to its base state in greater density, the water circulates down the outer cylinder with increasing force, driving a turbine connected to the hydroelectric generator assembly where energy is harvested. The strong magnetic field ensures maximum turbine action. The water returns to the inner cylinder, beginning its journey again. Electricity isn't the only product of H.E.T. During its electrolysis phase, hydrogen and oxygen bubbles are released into the upflow tube. We propose use of the collector to harvest these molecules for use by hydrogen fuel cells. Goodbye jet fuel, gasoline, diesel. Estimated costs per megawatt hour for H.E.T generated electricity are just under the costs of solar, with no need for storage or sun. H.E.T, clean, green, local, scalable baseload energy production available anywhere. Welcome to the future of power.